Step 1. Busyness is not productivity. Most people confuse movement with progress. Just because you are doing a lot doesn't mean you are moving forward financially. Things like running errands, attending unnecessary meetings, doing random tasks. All these things make you feel productive, but they don't increase your income. Solution to this: start measuring your day by results, not effort. Ask yourself, what did I do today that can actually make me money or improve my financial position? Step 2. You are working on the wrong thing. Not all work is equal. Some tasks keep you busy, others actually build wealth. Things like low value work is equals to small or no financial impact, while high value work is equals to skills, sales, investment, and creation. Solution to this: shift your focus to high value activities like learning a skill that pays, creating something to sell, building income streams. Being busy with the wrong things will keep you broke longer. Step 3. No leverage is equals to no growth. If your income depends only on your time, you will always be limited. You work, you get paid. You stop, your money stop. Solution to this: start using leverage. Things like your skills, something that pay more per effort. Start using platforms like YouTube. Start using money, investing, even small amount. Start meeting people, collaboration, and outsourcing. Step 4. Distraction disguised as work. Some things look like work, but I tell you this, they are actually distractions. For example, scrolling through social media apps for inspiration, or over planning instead of executing, constantly switching tasks just to keep your brain busy. That's bad. Solution to this: cut anything that does not produce results. Focus on 1 to 2 important tasks daily and finish them. Distraction don't just waste your time, they steal your future. Step 5, the last and not the least: no clear financial direction. If you don't know where you're going financially, any effort will feel like progress, but it leads nowhere. No income target, no saving goal, no investment plan. That's bad. Solution to this: set a clear money goal. How much you want monthly? What are you building towards? Then align your daily action to that goal. Clarity turns effort into results. Now take this down. Being busy is not the goal. Being effective is. Once you shift from activity to strategy, then everything changes.